Considering the basic strength of amines in aqueous solution, which one has the smallest pKb value? The option first is 2-degree amine, second is primary amine, third is 3-degree amine, and fourth is aniline. Now the solution is, as the question is given of amine and the topic is basicity, the most important thing which comes is the basicity, from which we know the Lewis acid base theory. This is very important. Two factors we have to consider in this question. The first is Lewis base and the second is inductive effect. In this question, if you take a look on the options, the four options which is given is the primary amine, the secondary amine, the tertiary amine, and the aromatic benzene compound, that is aniline. We have to think that which is Lewis base. If you take a look on the nitrogen, it has a lone pair of electron, which we know very frequently, that is lone pair of electron. Now, according to Lewis acid base theory, which have the lone pair of electron and ability to donate it is the Lewis base, and who receives it or accepts it is the Lewis acid. Now, nitrogen has lone pair of electron, that means it can donate, so basicity is there. The first thing we have to clear. The second thing is the inductive effect. The plus I effect and the minus I effect is very important in this. The plus I effect means that compound or the molecule which have the ability to donate the electron, or the minus I compound is which have the capacity to withdraw the electron. In this case, those which have plus I effect, that means plus I effect compound increases the electron density on nitrogen, which is very important for the basicity, because sharing is very important. Anything which pushes the electron to share increases the basicity. So the plus I effect, when it comes, we have to think the order, that is CS3 whole thrice, that is 3 degree is more than 2 degree is more than primary. So more the plus I effect on nitrogen, more is the basicity. But here we have to think that once also it is 3 degree, it is 2 degree, it is primary, and when it is attached on this three cases that we have to conclude in this. In nitrogen, if lone pair of electron is there, but here one, this is one option, another is this one, and another is this one. Now, if we take a look on this 3 alkyl group is attached to nitrogen, this is a bulky group. It gives the plus I effect, but bulkiness increases, because of which steric hindrance occurs. But in the case of this one, 2 alkyl groups are there, and both have the ability to give the electron, and because of which the lone pair electrons and the density on the nitrogen also increases. That's why this becomes more basic. Now another, it has 1 alkyl group, so less basic than this, but more basic than this, because steric hindrance causes breaking. So it is lesser basic than these two. Now we have to come on the point, what about this one, that is aniline. As we know, aromatic compound, that is C6H5, that is this benzene group, has the minus I effect. That means it receives or it withdraws the electron from nitrogen. That's why basicity decreases. So in all cases, we can see that 3 degree compound causes steric hindrance, 2 degree has 2 alkyl group, ability to give the electrons, increases the density on the electron on nitrogen. That's why it is more basic than this one, and the last this one. So we can see this option is the correct option. We can also explain this question on the basis of pKb value. If we have the idea of all the equilibrium concepts, that is how the product upon reactant goes, on the basis of the concept of the constant value, This also explains on the basis of pKv. The lesser is the pKv value, the more is the basicity. And in the case of this all, this 2-degree compound has the lesser pKv value, and maximum value comes on aromatic compound, and steric hindrance is there, so that's why it is also nullified. So that's why this is more basic and all are lesser basic than this. So this is all about the solution of this question. For another question, come and see our next video. Thank you.